Hello viewers, you're welcome to today's class. My name is Ubang Dominic and I am your popular host. Today we shall be looking at the topic diphthong. Diphthong. Alright, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define diphthongs. Mention the diphthong sounds in English language. Mention words carrying the diphthong sounds mentioned. Alright, what is a diphthong sound? Diphthongs are also called gliding vowels. Diphthongs are also called gliding vowels. There are 8 diphthong sounds in English language. The first to be considered is the A and E combination, which is I. You get it in words like I as a personal pronoun, I as part of the body, white in color, by in purchase. Other words include bright, sky, fine, high, and finally here, by. Alright, let's consider the next combination. It is A plus E to give us A. We have it in words like wait, late, fame, way, say, play, again. Alright, let's look at the next combination. It is A plus U to give us ew. We get it in words like girl. We have meld, held, slave, found. We have realm. Okay, let's consider the next combination. It is the combination of the A and the U to give us the ow sound. Ow. We have it in words like crown. We have it in words like loud. We have it in words like cow, mouth, about, scout, and finally on this, out. Let's check the next combination. The combination of the O plus the E sound to give us oi. We have it in words like boy, voice, noise, moist. We have soil. We have point. We have oil. Okay, let's look at the next combination, which is the E and the A combination, giving us ear. We can get it in words like ear, near, tear, here, beer, cheer, etc. The next combination is the U and the A combination. You have ue. We can have the ue sound in words like sure, cue, lue, puering, insure, precure. Alright, at this point we check the last combination, which is the air and the air sound, giving us air. We have it in words like air in weather, pair, there. We have hair, we have air, we have there, we have where, and we have bear. Okay, at this point, let's test ourselves a little. Choose your answer before the computer chooses the right answer. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box. Bye.